Hello children, in this video we are going to learn 9th standard number system chapter exercise 1.5 fifth main. Rationalize the denominator of the following. Here they have given 4 sums. We have to rationalize the denominator. Before going to solve these sums, first you understand what is the meaning of rationalization or rationalize. Rationalization or rationalize means you have to convert the irrational numbers into rational numbers. Here root 7 is a irrational number. You already know what is the irrational numbers means. The numbers which are present in the square root, and those numbers should not be a perfect squares. Not perfect square means not square numbers. For example, 1 square 1 is a perfect square. 2 square 4 is perfect square. 3 square 9 is perfect square. Square numbers are called as a perfect square. 7 is not a square number, so 7 is not a perfect square. If inside the root non-perfect squares are there, here root 7 is a irrational number because root 7 is a not perfect square. So you want to make the root 7 as a rational number because it is irrational number. You want to make this as a rational number means that process of converting the irrational number into rational number is called as a rationalization. Here they have given the heading as rationalize the denominator of the following. Denominator, we have to rationalize the denominator, not numerator. Only we have to convert the irrational number which is present in the denominator as a rational number. That process is called as a rationalization. So they have given rationalize the denominator of the following. First one, root 7. If you want to convert into rational number, you have to multiply root 7 to this. Then root 7 into root 7 will become root 49. Then root 49 will become 7. So only it will convert as a 7. Then it will rationalize. So that root 7 is called as a rationalizing factor for root 7. What is the rationalizing factor of root 7? They will give, sometimes they will ask in the multiple choice. What is the rationalizing factor of root 7 means root 7. What is the rationalizing factor of root 5 means root 5. Root 3. Like that they will ask. Here only one number is there. If it is only one number, we have to write same number inside the root means you will get the rationalizing factor. If suppose two numbers are there, just I will tell you. First I will solve this and I will tell you. You have to multiply and divide root 7. If you multiply to this root 7 means you will get the root 49. So we have to multiply and divide by root 7. Then you will get 1 by root 7 into root 7 divided by root 7. Here 1 into root 7 is root 7 divided by root 7 into root 7 is root 49. Therefore answer will come root 7. Root 49 answer is 7. Rationalize the denominator. Denominator we got the rational number. No, 7 is a rational number, not a irrational number. So like this we have to do it. Now second question, you see here only one number was there, root 7, but here two are there, root 7 minus root 6. Now rationalizing factor is root 7 plus root 6. Suppose here plus is there means minus you have to take. Here minus is there, you have to take plus. Rationalizing factor of root 7 minus root 6 is root 7 plus root 6. Suppose here plus is there means rationalizing factor of root 7 plus root 6 is root 7 minus root 7. If two terms are there means you have to change the sign. Only one term is there means that same number is the rationalizing factor. Here rationalizing factor of root 7 minus root 6 is root 7 plus root 6. So we have to multiply root 7 plus root 6. I will solve it. 1 divided by root 7 minus root 6 into, you have to multiply and divide. Rationalizing factor of root 7 minus root 6 is root 7 plus root 6 divided by root 7 plus root 6. Rationalizing factor you have to multiply and divide it. Then only we can rationalize the denominator. Now 1 into root 7 plus root 6 is same only will come root 7 plus root 6. Now denominator you observe, you are multiplying these two. Just I will write in the bracket root 7 minus root 6 in the bracket root 7 plus root 6. Just to observe this, you can use the identity a plus b, a minus b into a plus b means a square minus b square. This identity we know. In place of a, root 7 is there. In place of b, root 6 is there. A minus b into a plus b we can write as a square minus b square. So in the next step, numerator as it is I will write root 7 plus root 6 divided by here root 7 whole square minus root 6 whole square. Then here only I will write next root 7 plus root 6 divided by root 6. Square root and square will get cancelled, so 7 minus square root and square will get cancelled 6. So root 7 plus root 6 divided by 7 minus 6 is 1. So answer is root 7 plus root 6 is the answer. Denominator nothing is there means 1. 1 is also a rational number. We rationalize the denominator here also. These are the important. They will ask for 2 marks like these questions. Now third one will say what is the rationalizing factor of root 5 plus root 2? Plus is there here. So rationalizing factor of root 5 plus root 2 is root 5 minus root 2. So we have to multiply and divide root 5 minus root 2. You have to divide it also. Then 1 into root 5 minus root 2 is root 5 minus root 2 divided by here also a plus b, a minus b. So root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Then answer will come root 5 minus root 2 divided by square root and square will get cancelled. So 5 here square root and square will get cancelled 2. So answer will come root 5 minus root 2 divided by 3. Rationalize the denominator. 3 is a rational number. Like that only. Last one we will solve it. Here rationalizing factor. One number is containing root, one more number is not containing root. Here also same thing. This will become minus will become plus for rationalizing factor. Minus root 2, root 7 minus 2 into root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 plus 2. So root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 square minus 2 square. So root 7 plus 2 divided by here square root and square will get cancelled. So 7, this 2 square will become 4. So root 7, here root is not there, so root square 2 square will become 4 there by 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. This is the answer for this 3. These are the 4 sums. This exercise is completed. Next, in the next video we'll go for the next exercise. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.